Hey guys, it's Dennis here with Team De Bureau, and in today's video we're gonna create another Watch Me Build campaign with Maxbounty affiliate network using Instagram story ads. So let's start it. Hey guys, and welcome back to our tutorials. So today we're gonna create another Watch Me Build campaign with Maxbounty affiliate network. And here we are on the search campaign section. Like always, we're gonna grab one offer. So I have already choose one, which is gonna be Starbucks in Australia. So the offer I choose is this one here. So Starbucks gift card single opt-in Australia. Actually, it's not a gift card. So let's have a look at the offer itself, which is up here. It actually says gift card, but on the offer landing page, if you have a look here, it says get your $100 voucher to spend at Starbucks. So here it says a Starbucks gift card, but when you go on the offer, which is this one here, it actually says $100 voucher. So just make sure to double check everything and that it's everything perfect. So let's go back. So this is actually the offer we're gonna create today, and we're gonna use Instagram story ads with Facebook traffic. So let's have a look. So it is a single opt-in offer, $1.75 per lead, so per conversion, and it is in Australia. So we can have a look again to the offer landing page. So that's mean when they're gonna click on the ad, first they're gonna land on your lender, that it's gonna be in ClickFunnels, and when they're gonna go through your survey, they're gonna land on this offer landing page where they're gonna submit the email and press register button just below here. So first thing, we're gonna go like always to ClickFunnels and create our lender, and then we're gonna find some images, create images inside the Canva, and then in the end we're gonna create the Facebook campaign, combining all together to the end. So let's go to ClickFunnels first. So this is the software where we create our lenders, so service, and we have two different templates. If you don't know yet, so the Instagram has 2 questions and the Facebook has 3 questions. So in today's tutorial, we are doing Instagram story ads. So we're gonna use the Instagram template. So let's go and do the edit page, which is up here. You're gonna click edit page, and we're gonna change the headline copy, the questions and the answers, the SEO metadata, and in the end, we're gonna copy our affiliate link from the Maxbounty and paste it within the ClickFunnels. So let's change the view to mobile. So like always, I have prepared the copy already, which is up here. So we're gonna grab the headline up here, copy, and we're gonna paste it here on the top like that, which says right now you can win a $100 voucher to spend at Starbucks. Because if you look at the offer landing page, the main text is get your $100 voucher to spend at Starbucks. So you want to make congruent copy on your lender, and that is congruent on your lender with the offer landing page. Okay, so let's go back to ClickFunnels. So we're gonna import the image. So you're gonna click settings. I have already created the image, which is this one here. We're gonna click save, and then we're gonna click here to change the questions and the answers. So first question, it's always the basic 2 questions that we use with Instagram story ads. How did you hear about this offer? So first it's gonna be Instagram Facebook, Snapchat, and the last answer is always other. And let's go to the second question, which is gonna be, where are you from? And let's go first, it's Australia, because we are targeting Australia. New Zealand, oh no, that, and I'm gonna go with United Kingdom. No, again mistake, Kingdom, like that, and other. You always want to use countries that they are closer to the targeted geo, but I put United Kingdom because it is related to Australia. So all right, so let's go back, let's save. So now we have our headline, the image, the questions and the answers. So next thing is to change the SEO metadata. So you can just copy the entire, or you can just go this part, which is the main one, and go to here, and you're gonna paste it and save. And the last part, we need to go to Maxbounty to grab our affiliate link. So tracking link builder, you're gonna click build tracking link. Then we're gonna grab the social one and the raw link, like that. And then you're gonna click copy and go back to ClickFunnels. You're gonna click again here, edit survey options, outcomes, default outcome action, and custom redirect. We're gonna paste our affiliate link up here. Perfect. All right, so this is pretty much everything. On the lender, let's go back. And I always want to say this, that don't forget to put in the settings section your pixel code. So here you're gonna paste your pixel code, and then you're gonna scroll down and click save. All right, let's go back to steps. Okay, so we are done with our lender inside the ClickFunnels. So this link we're gonna grab for the website URL when we're gonna create the Facebook campaign. So that's gonna be the last thing. So now we're gonna find some images for our ads. So like always, we use Google or Pinterest, and you go to each of one and type the keywords you want. So Starbucks, you could go Starbucks coffee, you could go Starbucks drinks, you could go Starbucks store, storefront, in-store. So you just need to play around and scroll down and find some nice looking images. So you're gonna do this and then just scroll and find some images. So that's one from the Google, and you're gonna do the same thing if you would like to use Pinterest. So you're gonna go here and type Starbucks in, and then just scroll down and find some images. This could be one, it's a different image. So holding. And for the store ones, you can go here and just put store, and you're gonna get a lot of storefront images that you can use, right? Pretty cool. Okay, like always, I have already prepared the images just to make it quicker, the video for you. So let's go to Canva, which is the tool we use to create our images for our ads. So that's mean for Instagram and even for Facebook. So I have created these 4 images, slightly different. So one is with the big logo Starbucks. The second one is a girl holding a cup of coffee. The third one is pretty much just all about coffee, you can see. And the last one is inside the store, an image. So 4 different images. So you want to use different images within your ad sets. And for the copy, so swipe up and win a Starbucks voucher. So that is congruent with the copy on your offer landing page and obviously on the lender. So ad, lender, offer landing page. So the same congruent images and the same congruent copy. All right, so we have our lender inside the ClickFunnels. We have our ads, and now for the last part, we're gonna create our Facebook campaign. So let's jump to Ads Manager, which is up here. So like always, we're gonna use traffic objective. So you're gonna click it up here. So first we're gonna put the campaign name. So let's go first with the geo, which is Australia, and then you can go Starbucks 1, and for the traffic it's gonna be IG. Let's put the ID of the campaign as well. So let's go back to Ads Manager, paste, and the traffic is IG, so for Instagram. Let's click continue, and here we are on the ad set level where we're gonna choose our targeting, country, budget, all the important things. So first we're gonna change the ad set name. So let's go AU for Australia, and we're gonna go females 18 to 65, and we're gonna target Starbucks brand. All right, so let's scroll down. It is Australia already, so we're gonna go females, and let's change the placements first. All right, we use only mobile, and we're gonna only leave the Instagram story. So that would be exactly like that. So Instagram stories, and all the rest need to be deselected. And now we're gonna find Starbucks interest, and we have actually 600,000 potential reach, which is perfect. This is a really nice, good size for testing phase. Okay, so Australia, women, so females, Starbucks, so that's the brand interest. And placements, so we always use mobile, and for today's tutorial we are using Instagram story ads. So let's scroll down, and here we're gonna choose landing page views, so optimization for ad delivery. And the last thing, we're gonna update our daily budget. So we always go 3 times the payout of the offer. So let's go back to Maxbounty. So the payout, it's $175. So 175 multiplied by 3, it is 525. So that's mean our daily budget is going to be 525. All right, and you can set for tomorrow 12 or 1 a.m. like that. All right, let's go quickly through. So ad set name, that's all right. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna have one ad set targeted females, and then the other ad set you're gonna target males. So everything is gonna stay the same except the gender. So you're gonna just duplicate this ad set and you're gonna change from women to men like that. And all the rest is gonna be the same. And you're gonna have 470,000 potential reach, which is still good. All right, so that's all good. So let's go and press continue. All right, so here we are on the ad level where we're gonna import our images and put the lender URL. So first just put an ad name. So you can put ad set number 1, and then for the males, you're gonna put ad set number 2. So choose your Facebook page that is gonna be congruent with the offer. This Facebook page is just for tutorials. So just make sure to choose the right one. So just go with some generic name and that will work for sure. So let's upload our images. So we have 4 of them. You can go with 5 to 10 images. All right, so images are here. So the last thing we need to do, we need to paste the lender URL. So that's from ClickFunnels. And we're gonna copy here and go back to Ads Manager and paste our lender. All right, so these are the images, so we can have a look quickly how they look. Pretty cool. Number 3. Yep. And the last one is this one here. Okay, so yeah, here on the bottom, make sure that your Facebook pixel is checked with green color, and that's it pretty much. So you're gonna press confirm and you're gonna wait that your ads get a true review and to be approved. So this would be everything for today. So hope you enjoyed the video and that give you some value. So this would be everything for today's video. Please give us a like and thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow with a new video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.